welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. I'm just playing around with colors, so for today's video, I'm giving you a very colorful cut crease look. If you want to know how I did this look, then keep watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I already did my brows off cam, so I'll begin this tutorial by putting on some contact lenses. I'm wearing Sweety Spatax green from GWYSHOP. Now I'm spreading the primer all over my lid using my finger, then set it with some powder. I'm taking this orange shade. I'll gently buff that onto my crease. With a fluffy brush, I'm applying some red shadow. Now a yellow shade onto the outer part to blend everything well. Time to cut the crease. I'm using the Crease concealer. Then set it with an eyeshadow similar to my skin tone. Now I'm just gonna redefine the red eyeshadow using a tiny pencil brush. I'm taking a coral shade, then pack it onto the lids. Then I'm taking a pinkish purple shade onto the corners of the lid. We're gonna do this to create a halo effect. Then we'll do the same thing using the orange shade beside the pink shadow. And then a yellow shade onto the inner corners. Then blend it with a neon yellowish green shade. Working on the lower lash line, I'm using the same shadow we use and blend them really well together onto the lash line. I applied an orange eyeliner onto the waterline. And to add some dimension on the eyes, I'm applying red shadows onto the outer lid. Then I'm gonna highlight the center more by packing on some yellow gold metallic eyeshadow. I'm lining my eyes using this pen liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna skip the cut eyes for this look. Then I'm just tight lining to define the eyes even further. Now for the fun part, I'm cutting the cut crease once more by using a neon yellow green eyeshadow. I mixed the shadow with a mixing medium to use it as a liquid eyeliner. I'm lifting up some more yellow shadow, then coating my lashes with a mascara. It's time to pop on some lashes. I'm applying some primer onto my face. I'm gonna mix two foundations for today, then just apply it all over my face and neck using a foundation brush. Then blend it with a sponge. Now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes, then highlight the high points of my face. It's now time to bake the under eyes, then I'm just gonna set a powder all over my face. Then contour the perimeters of my face. I prefer heavy contours for myself because my face is big. Then I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm taking a pink blush, then top it off with the orange eyeshadow that we use on the eyes. Again, I'll be highlighting the high points of my face. Then for the lips, I go with a peachy nude shade. Now I'm just drawing on some fake lower lashes. The highlight was too settle for me, so I'm applying another layer of highlight. I think the lashes were too heavy for the look, so I changed it with a more natural looking lashes, and that completes the look. But if you want to make this look more extra, you can also add some glitter freckles to add more cuteness on the look. Or you can top off the cut crease with a glitter liner. So what do you guys think about this look? Let me know your thoughts by commenting down below. I hope you guys like this colorful cut crease tutorial. If you do, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!